We provide Pearson and SAM modules, Simnet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also...
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we will discuss this assignment step by step. Then we have to click on enable editing so we can add something or subtract something from instruction file. Okay. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wages. We just increase its size, then change its color so it must be visible to everyone. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. The name of today's assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wages. Before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment, we have 13 questions. Okay. The last one is just like non-graded one, in which we have to save, close XP Excel Chapter 6 ML2 wages, then exit Excel, then submit file as directed. So question number 13 is a non-graded one. So now we are moving toward the top. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wages. Here is project description. So you are the business manager for Hamilton Classic Timepieces, an independent jewelry maker that specializes in timepieces. Your company has 3 full-time and 5 part-time employees. Your store is currently open 40 years per week, and based on demand, you require 200 weekly labor hour. Full-time employee weekly work between 330 and 50 hours per week. Part-time employee between 1 and 20 per week. You want to use Solver to help determine the work schedule for the week. Your goal is to schedule all 200 labor hours while minimizing the wages paid. You will create a name range where appreciate and create an answer report documents your detailed result. So all these were simply instruction about the file. We have to read that one. In this way we will get some ideas that what we have in description, how we have to solve that one, and at the end what we get the result. Steps to perform. And here is instruction. So in question number 1, start file, download and open file name, this one. Then grader will automatically add your name, last name, beginning of the file. So we have already downloaded Excel file and grader have already added our name in the start. So first of all, we will open our solution file. We call solution file or Excel file. It is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing so we can add there in Excel a sheet. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Create a range name based on the values in the range I10 to I11. Now we have to create a range name based on the values of range I10 to I11. Where is I10? Here we write I10, press enter. Okay, I10 to I11. Here we have to in the range name. Mean we have to select both columns, then move toward formulas and create from selection. Then left column is already selected, simply press OK. Now the range name is come. Now when we click on there, the range name is a net earning. When we click on this one, the range name is gross earning. Okay. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to create a range name based on the values in the range I10 to I11, and we earn 10 marks from here. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Added the range name gross earning so it display as gross. Now we have to edit that gross earning range name. So for that we have to click on formulas, then manager, and there is gross earning name. Now first we have to select this one, then click on edit. Then what name we have to display just gross. So we just delete everything, then simply gross. Now okay, close. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to edit the range name gross earning so it display as gross, and we earn 10 marks from here. Okay. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. We have to apply gross and total wages range name to formula in cell I12 using the apply ranges name method. Now we have to apply a rename method to use formula inside cell I12. Where is I12? Here is I12. Yes. Now you may see there is cell selected. Now we have to apply their formula and rename. Okay. Select this one, then select this one. Okay. Now rename come. Then again select I11 and select this cell, that is I11, and rename, both rename come. Simply press enter. So question number 4 is done, and we earn 10 marks. In question number 4, we have to apply gross and total wages paid rename to the formula in cell I12 using apply rename method. We have applied and we get the result. Okay. So till now we have solved question number 1, that is not graded one. Then question number 2, 10 marks. Question number 3, 10 marks. Question number 4, 10 marks. So till now we have earned 30 marks. Now I'm just moving toward question number 5. In question number 5, load solver add-in if it is not applicable. If it is not applicable, then we have to add that one. So how can we add that one? Come on here. First we have to click on file, then we have to click on more options, then add-ins, go. Now you may see solver add-in is already selected in my case, but in your case that is not selected. You have to select that one, then simply press OK. So that will be added. Now when you click on data, so solver add-in is there. Okay. So this part is done. If it is not applicable, so we have loaded that one. Now set objective cell to min total wages paid. Okay. So now we have to apply solver. Then what is objective? Our objective is a mean total wages, that is in cell F13. So where is F13? Yes, and we have to apply mean. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to load solver add-in if it is not available. After that then we have to set objective cell to min total wages, and we have done question number 5. Okay. Same way we will solve question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. You may see we have solved almost half of assignment. The name of today's assignment is Excel Exp25 Excel chapter 6 ML2 employee wages. Then we describe and read carefully project description, and then after that then we move to a graded part, and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have solved question number first 5 part, and we discussed question number 6 also. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. Remember that your file will be ready or your project will be ready in next 1 hour and your marks will be E grade 100% marks. Price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. Okay. So in today's video we have discussed Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wages. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.